we are looking at a national branded, Japanese made, I think, model 790 sewing machine. I think this has worn a lot of things, Dressmaker, Good Housekeeper, Viscount. It's got a dial on the front for stitch selection. That dial only turns clockwise, and as you turn it, we can see pretty easily right here there's a top follower because it's got a circular cam here that rotates, but below this top follower there is a bottom follower underneath the cam. So it uses both of those followers, and of course as soon as I got the camera out, it's gummed up again. This top follower was stuck. The bottom follower was kind of okay, but you need to, when you're working on one of these, make sure that you get both sides and get this slides on the front and it slides on the back, and under this rear cover here there is the selector disc, which has the divots that push these cam followers back and forth across the two sides of the cam. So if you've got one of these and it's not making stitches correctly, make sure that you check both this top follower and that matching one that is directly underneath it.